Ever wondered how you can take care of your car better? Pondered over the mysteries of engine oil, tire pressure, and brake pads? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to the basic car maintenance course, where we uncover the secrets to keeping your car running smoothly. First things first, let's dive into the heart of your car, the engine. The engine oil is its lifeblood, and it's crucial to check it regularly. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then reinsert it. Pull it out once more, and if the oil is between the two marks, you're in the green. Dark and dirty oil? It's time for a change. Remember, clean oil means a happy engine. Next, we turn our attention to the tires. They're your car's shoes, if you will. And just like your shoes, they need to be the right fit. An incorrectly inflated tire can lead to poor fuel efficiency and even blowouts. Use a tire pressure gauge to check the pressure. Refer to your vehicle's manual for the optimal pressure levels. If it's low, fill it up. If it's high, let some air out. Now on to the brakes. These are your car's safety net. Worn-out brake pads can lead to accidents. Listen for a high-pitched squealing noise when you brake. That's the wear indicator telling you it's time for a change. And if your car pulls to one side when braking, it could be a sign of worn brakes or brake fluid leak. Don't ignore these signs. Your safety is paramount. Fluids, filters, belts, and hoses are other components that require your attention. Regularly check your car's coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid. Replace air filters as needed. Inspect belts and hoses for any signs of wear and tear. Lastly, don't forget the battery. A dead battery can leave you stranded. Check for any corrosion around the battery terminals. Clean it off if you notice any. Keep an eye on the battery's age. Most batteries need replacement every 4 to 5 years. In summary, a well-maintained car is a happy car. Regularly check and change your engine oil. Keep your tires inflated to the right pressure. Pay attention to your brakes. Monitor the various fluids, filters, belts, and hoses, and never neglect your battery. By following these steps, you can ensure your car's longevity and optimal performance. Remember, taking care of your car is not just about saving money. It's about ensuring your safety and the safety of those around you. So roll up your sleeves, grab that dipstick, and let's get started. Your car will thank you.